minus 4x upon h square minus x square. Now we have to find the value of second derivative at x is equals to h by root 2. X is equals to h by root 2, so h square upon 2. X is h upon root 2. X is minus 4. X is h upon root 2. So what we get? H square minus h square, this term is 0. Minus 4 h upon root 2. 2h square minus h square. H square root 2. So we get minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2 less than 0. Therefore, x is equals to h upon root 2 is point of maxima. Second derivative is less than 0. Now what is the value of base was square root of y square minus h square minus x square. That was height. So h square minus x square. X is 2h square. So h square by 2 h upon square root of 2. Altitude is equals to h upon root 2 and base is equals to h upon root 2. Two sides are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. And area is maximum when x is equals to a upon root 2. So area is maximum when the triangle is isosceles triangle. Next one is show that the surface area of a closed cuboid with a square base and given volume is minimum while it is a cube. Write down, let V be a fixed volume of cuboid with length, breadth and height as x, y and length and breadth we have taken equal because it is given the base of the cuboid is square. Square has all the sides equal, so we have taken length and breadth as x and height as y. Now what is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So volume is x into y. That is x square y. यही आया हमारे पास volume. Now what is the surface area of a cuboid? 2 times length into breadth, breadth into height and height into length. X into x, x into y, y into x. So we get 2 times x square, 4xy. We get this term. From here we can find the value of y as v upon x square. So surface area is 2x square, 4x v upon x square. That is 2x square, 4v upon x. Clear? Now take the derivative with respect to x. Derivative of x square 2x. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Now put first derivative equal to 0. 4x is equals to 4vx square. V is equals to x cube. equals to x. हाइट भी इक्वल हो गई लेंथ है ब्रेथ के. नाउ फाइंड द सेकंड डेरिवेटिव. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 4x minus 4v, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x पावर -2 upon x cube. So 4 plus 8v upon x cube. So we get d square s upon dx square. 4 plus 8v is x square by 4 plus 8y upon x. 4 plus 8y upon x. Now find the derivative at y is equals to x. So 12, that is greater than 0. So S is minimum. Write down. Surface area is minimum when x is equals to y. अगर हमारे पास x भी y के इक्वल हो गया, लेंथ हमारे पास ऑलरेडी x थी, ब्रेथ भी, अब जो हाइट है डेटा इज y, तीनों साइड्स क्यूबॉइड की इक्वल हो गई. इट मींस दिस इज अ क्यूब. तो क्यूबॉइड क्या बन गया? क्यूब. क्यूब की सारी साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं. देयरफॉर s इज मिनिमम व्हेन x is equals to y is equals to height, that is when it is a cube. तो जो सरफेस एरिया है मिनिमम होगा when cuboid is a cube. Note it down. Next one is an open tank with a square base and vertical sides is to be constructed from a metal sheet so as to hold a given quantity of water. Show that cost of material will be least when depth of tank is half its width. Write down. Let length, breadth and height of open tank be x, x and y. इसमें भी स्क्वायर बेस गिवन है, देयरफॉर हमने लेंथ और जो ब्रेथ है वो इक्वल ली है, दैट इज x. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट, दैट इज x square by surface area. Surface area वैसे होता है 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus 2 times x square xy plus xy. But since it is open, so square जो side है base है ऊपर से open है, so this 2x square में से ऊपर वाले पोर्शन का एरिया माइनस हो जाएगा. सो हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड एरिया आएगा x स्क्वायर प्लस 4xy. क्यों ये आया, समझ आ गई? क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास जो टैंक है डेट इज ओपन. इट मींस उसका स्क्वायर बेस तो है बट जो अपवर्ड उसका स्क्वायर पोर्शन है वो नहीं है, इसलिए ये 2 टाइम्स नहीं आएगा. क्लियर? नाउ पुट द वैल्यू. So s is equals to x square plus 4xy. Find the value of y, v upon x square, 4x v upon x square, 4 v upon x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Now put first derivative equal to 0. equals to 4v upon x square. X cube is equals to 2v. V is, put the value of v here. V is x square into y. So x is equals to 2 times y. Find the second derivative. Derivative of 2x. Derivative of x square minus 2 upon x cube. Find the value of derivative when x is equals to 2y. 2 plus 8v upon x cube. So 2 plus 8v is x square y upon x cube. So 2 plus 8y upon x. X is equals to 2y. So 6, that is greater than 0. Therefore, x is equals to 2y is point of minima, or S is minimum when x is equals to 2y. That is, height क्या थी हमने ली? y. Height is equals to half of its length. That is, depth or height of the tank is half of its width. यही हम प्रूफ करना चाहते थे कि surface area will be minimum when height is equals to half of its width. Note it down. Next one. An open box with a square base is to be made of the given quantity of the cardboard of area c square units. Area of the cardboard is given c square units. Show that maximum volume of the box. Show that maximum volume of the box is c cube upon 6 into root 3 cubic units. Now box is given, open box with a square base. Let length, breadth and height of box be square base, so length and breadth will be equal, height is y. Now surface area, one side is open box is there, so x square plus 2, यही होता है 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. But since it is open, so open portion is not there, so x square 2 into 2, 4xy. Let V be the volume of the box. That is x square into y. Volume is length into breadth into height. Put the value of y. Y is c square. हमें surface area given है constant, that is c square. So instead of s we put c square. X square. C square minus x square upon 4x. So c square x minus x cube by 4. Now differentiate it with respect to x. 1 upon 4 constant, derivative of x is 1, x cube is 3x square. Now in the next step, put the first derivative equal to 0. So c square is equals to 3x square. So we get x as c upon root 3. Now find the second order derivative. Derivative of c square is 0. 3 into 2, 6x. Minus 3 by 2x. That is less than 0 when x Therefore, volume is maximum when x is equals to c by root 3. Then what was the value of y was c square minus x square upon 4x. Put the value of x here to find the value of y. C square by 3. 3 minus 1, 2c square by 3. Root 3, 4c. C, we can write 3 as root 3 into root 3. So y is c upon 2 root 3. Volume is maximum when x is equals to c by root 3 and y is c by 2 root 3. Now we want to find the value of volume. X square into y. C square into c. 2 root 3 square. 6 root 3. This is what we want to prove. Maximum volume is this cubic units. Next one. Show that the triangle of maximum area that can be inscribed in a given circle is an equilateral triangle. Triangle inscribed in a circle. We have to prove that this is an equilateral triangle. That this is center of the circle O. This is the radius. Let this side as x. Write down. Let ABC be a triangle inscribed in given circle with center O and radius R. The area of triangle will be maximum if its vertex से और जो बेस BC के बीच में डिस्टेंस मैक्सिमम होगा, then area of triangle will be maximum. AD is perpendicular to BC. Using Pythagoras theorem in triangle OBD, R square is equals to x square plus BD square. So we get BD as square root of R square minus x square. Since this is perpendicular, so BC is 2 times BD, 2 times R square minus x square. And AD is equals to AO plus OD. AO is radius of the circle. We have taken this side as x. Now area of triangle, half base into height. Base is BC. And height is R plus x. 2 will get cancelled here. So we get R plus x into square root of R square minus x square. Now find the first derivative. U into V rule. First function. Derivative of second. Derivative of R square 0 x square. Plus second as it is, derivative of r and derivative of x, minus 2xr minus 2x square, 2 is cancelled. So we are left with minus rx minus x square upon r square minus x square. Take the LCM here. Minus rx minus x square plus r square minus x square minus 2x square plus r square. We get this term. Now put first derivative equal to 0. So we get minus 2x square minus rx plus r square. Now this is quadratic, so factorize it. On multiplication, we want minus 2. So minus 2rx. On addition, we want plus 1 plus rx plus r square is equals to 0. Note up to here. Now take common. Minus 2x is common. X plus r is common. X plus r. So we get minus 2x plus r, x plus r. So r is equals to 2x or r is equals to minus x. But radius will not be negative. Therefore reject this case. We get x is equals to r by